Can pregnant women take vaccine? Unfortunately, the Government of India guidelines have still not allowed us to give vaccine to pregnant female because we don't have enough data of its efficacy and its safety in pregnant women. So as of now, pregnant women are not allowed to take the vaccine. Saying that, some women who are at very high risk of COVID infection and a frontline worker might voluntarily choose to take a vaccine, but it is not yet recommended. Can lactating mother get vaccinated? Unfortunately, again, the Government of India guidelines do not allow lactating mothers to take COVID vaccine. Hopefully, with more and more data and safety data, we are hoping that these recommendations will change. But till then, if you're lactating, you cannot take a vaccine. Does vaccine cause infertility in men and women? Let's be very clear. We have enough data, science, and experience today to say confidently that vaccine is not going to cause any form of infertility in men and in females. So please don't stop your partners from getting vaccinated just because you think you might have difficulty in getting a child next. Can vaccine be taken during your menstrual period? This rumor that vaccine cannot be taken during menstruation is absolutely fake. There is no science and evidence behind it. The reason being given is that your immunity is low during your menstrual cycle. It is incorrect. You can take a vaccine irrespective of your duration of menstrual cycle or the timing of your cycle. Remember, there are no vaccine in this world that have been contraindicated while menstruating, and COVID is no exception. You can take the vaccine. Please take the vaccine. People are getting COVID even after taking vaccination. So why should one get vaccinated? Remember this. There is no vaccine in the world that will give you 100% protection. But what vaccine will do is it will induce antibodies in your body which will help you fight the severity of your reinfection. Which means when you again get reinfected post your vaccination, the chances that you will have a mild disease is very high. Also, the chances that you will require an oxygen supplementation, a hospital bed, ventilatory support is going to be extremely low only if you're vaccinated. And in the end, the chances that someone will die post-vaccination in reinfection is very, very low. So that's reason enough to still take a vaccine. Remember, it is imperative that you take your vaccine even after a COVID infection. Why? It's because COVID infection might range from mild to a severe variety, and we don't know that the natural immune response will last how long. So it is always better to take a vaccine which will give you a strong immunity after your 2 doses. Again, vaccines might also protect you from some mutant strains that are developing day in and day out. Now, when do you take a vaccine? After you've had a COVID infection. Now, the guidelines are a little confusing, but here's what you need to know. If you've had a COVID infection that has been asymptomatic or very mild, it's better to take the vaccine earlier. So take the vaccine 14 days after you've become asymptomatic. But if you've had a symptomatic COVID or a moderate to severe form of disease, you should wait for 4 weeks after you've become symptom-free before taking your vaccination. Again, if you've had antibody therapy or a plasma therapy, you need to wait longer before you take the vaccination. Now the question arises, which vaccine to take, Covishield or Covaxin? We have enough data today to prove that both the vaccines are good and efficient against protection from COVID infection. Also, the reinfection data of Covishield and Covaxin is very similar, which proves both are equally protective. So, today, when most of the people are struggling to get a vaccine, please don't deny a vaccine due to your choice of vaccine. Both are good, just take the one you get.